Haruna Kasoro Cheine olu Minister wa Microfinance Center nagira ngo abatuura bashire kwemaniza kubiika sente eza buriizooba. Minister nagaruka agira ngo nangwa abatakashahwize sente yona babanze babiika ekirije kuleta entunguko mu maka gaabo.
The money you eat benefits only you, the person who has eaten. As you already did, it only helps you already did. And you cannot eat for others. Can you eat on behalf of your children? Can you eat on behalf of your father or your family? But you can save the money that will benefit all of them.
Our honorable councillors, they don't have adequate information about Emyoga. In fact, in my recommendation, Honorable Minister, we have requested for a special fund so that honorable councillors across the district should be sensitized.
Mase Muhindo, chairperson wa Ukonzo West Constituency, Women Entrepreneur Emyoga Society, na jangwa chini kizibu chentambara.
Current groups from hard to reach area like sub-county, like Chitolu, Ihandiro, is a problem to go there and meet them.
Perezu Rusasa, na chairperson wa Ukonzo West Constituency Fishermen Emyoga Cooperative Society, na jirangu bona ngo sente z'emyoga zikabayamba mnonga omukwetungura.
Still we use this money to improve our fish ponds because we use those methods, the local, the traditional methods, but because of funds now we are able to use the modern methods that this time our fish may not die at the rate that was dying.
Teyina kwesosola oberi wa NRM oboli wa FDC n'obulala bubina bina bwesitegera emyoga tegina muntu gwegamba nti enkulaakulana eyagala bonna.
Simon Kasereka, Commercial Officer wa Kasese District, nashaba kukabaho kwidisa bebembezi. Minister yabasa kubana abugana abatuura okuruga mu Bukonzo West, Bukonzo East, Kasese Municipality hamwe na Busongola South. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.